given that alpha and beta are complementary angles, then sine alpha is equals to 5 over 13. Find tan beta. When you are solving this question, it is very important to note the keyword complementary angles. And we all know that complementary angles add up to 90 degrees. So here alpha plus beta is equals to 90 degrees. And if you are to look into alpha only, alpha will be equals to 90 degrees minus beta. This we should know. And also it's very important to take note of sine alpha is equals to cos bracket, of course 90 degrees minus alpha bracket here. So cos sine alpha is equals to cos 90 degrees minus alpha. So what we are saying, for example, let us draw a right angled triangle here. And in this right angled triangle, this is our 90 degrees. And let us call this our alpha. And let us call this our beta. Okay. So since we are having already, we are given that sine alpha is equals to 5 over 13. And we all know that in trig ratios, we have the opposite over hypotenuse, where we use this concept, call it SOHCAHTOA. So in this concept, it tells us sine is equals to opposite over hypotenuse, as you can see. So the opposite side is here, which is 5, and the hypotenuse is nothing but 13. So the sine alpha is giving us this. What about cos alpha? Cos alpha is nothing but this side. If this side is 30, it means here is equals to 60. If this side is 60, it means here is 30. Or if this is 30, this is 60. That's why we are saying alpha is equals to 90 degrees minus beta, or cos 90 minus alpha. It's just the same. So here, if we are looking for cos theta, and in Chashotau we say the cos is equals to adjacent over hypotenuse. Adjacent we have nothing, as you can see here. So it will be nothing but x all over hypotenuse, which is 13. So the best way to find the adjacent side of alpha is by using the general formula of Pythagoras theorem here. So here we'll be having our hypotenuse, which is the longest side, represented by c, is 13 squared. And here, either way, we are going to put 5 square plus b square. 13 square here, let's say 13 square minus 5 square is equals to b square. So when you look into this, you can see that 13 square is nothing but 169 minus 25 is equals to b square. 169, we get 144. If we subtract 25 there, it's equals to b square. So we give a root on both sides. What you do on the left hand side, you do also on the right hand side. Here we get 12 is equals to b. So we can confirm that here is nothing but 12. So we go back to the question now. Right, so since we already get 12 here, now we can say sine beta is equals to, as we can see, sine beta, we already talked about it. Now the opposite side is 12. So here is 12 and the hypotenuse still 13. And of course, cos beta adjacent now is no longer 12, as for this, but for beta is 5, which is 5 over hypotenuse 18. What of tan? Tan beta, remember tan is nothing but opposite over adjacent. So when we are looking at tan, we get 12 over adjacent, which is 5. That's the answer. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the video to others. Thank you guys. Bye-bye.